अंदर है भैया, बाहर मत घूमो, दिन के दिन कोरोना बीमारी।
After pandemic goes out of hand, lockdown like curbs in Maharashtra. Only essential services allowed. Cases pile up, health infrastructure stretched. Uddhav government firefights the deadly virus. Maha Lockdown 2.0.
Hello and welcome. I'm Sahil Joshi. This is a special broadcast from Mumbai. The Mumbai and Maharashtra is heading up for a lockdown. The government hasn't called it a lockdown, but the numbers has forced the government to go into stricter restrictions, which we can call a kind of a lockdown. The Maharashtra saw a surge of 60,112 cases yesterday, which is almost above 50,000 cases, which the Maharashtra has been facing since last 2 weeks. Even Mumbai saw the surge of around 8,000 cases yesterday. Mumbai and Maharashtra are continuously seeing surge by the huge numbers. The Maharashtra's test positivity rate is around 15%. Almost 2 lakh tests were conducted yesterday. Out of that, 60,000 samples were found positive. Looking at the situation, the Maharashtra government finally had no option. What the government say is that to go for stricter restrictions, and that is how yesterday night Uddhav Thackeray, addressing the state through social media, announced that there will be a lockdown from tonight 8 o'clock. There is already a night curfew in place, but these will be the stricter restrictions for next 15 days. Let's have a look at what is going to be closed and what will be allowed. So of course the places where there is a possibility of crowding will all be closed, like the offices, the private offices, the restaurants, bars, etc., etc. But the malls, schools, colleges, grounds will be closed down. But at the same time, as you can see, that Mumbai is already going in a lockdown mode. Only few shops are open on the street at this point of time. People are trying to buy out things. But what is going to be different than what was earlier? What kind of rules the lockdown is going to implement and what Uddhav Thackeray announced? First, let's take a look at that.
आता त्या वाढवलेल्या सुविधा सुद्धा आपल्याला अपुऱ्या पडायला लागलेल्या आहेत. प्रत्येक गोष्टीची एक क्षमता असते. त्या क्षमतेपेक्षा अधिक भार जर कोणत्याही यंत्रणेवरती पडला किंवा टाकला तर साहजिकच आहे काही काळ हे असं चालत राहील आणि मग काही काळानंतर ती यंत्रणा कोलमडून पडेल.
With this reality check, Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray dealt the blow aimed at.
आपण राज्यात 144 कलम लागू करतो आहोत. म्हणजेच आजपर्यंत ही दिवसा जमावबंदी आणि रात्री संचारबंदी असं होतं, तरी रात्री जमावबंदी करत होतो. आता मात्र आपल्याला पुढचे किमान 15 दिवस राज्यामध्ये संचारबंदी लागू करावी लागत आहे.
Maharashtra has gone into relock 2.0. The entire state will be under curfew for the next 15 days starting.
उद्या संध्याकाळपासून आपण ब्रेक द चेन म्हणजे ही शृंखला तोडायची, आपल्याला तोडावीच लागेल. आणि ती तोडण्यासाठी आपण राज्यात 144 कलम लागू करतो आहोत. म्हणजेच आजपर्यंत ही दिवसा जमावबंदी आणि रात्री संचारबंदी असं होतं, तरी रात्री जमावबंदी करत होतो. आता मात्र आपल्याला पुढचे किमान 15 दिवस राज्यामध्ये संचारबंदी लागू करावी लागत आहे.
Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray in his address to the state emphasized that unlike the previous lockdown, he will ensure the poor don't suffer.
अन्न सुरक्षा जी आपली योजना आहे त्या योजनेअंतर्गत जे सगळे लाभार्थी आहेत या लाभार्थ्यांना प्रति व्यक्ती 3 किलो गहू आणि 2 किलो तांदूळ याप्रमाणे 1 महिना आपण आता मोफत धान्य देणार आहोत पुढच्या 1 महिन्यासाठी. म्हणजे कुठेही आपण त्यांची कदाचित रोजी ही मंदावली असेल पण रोटी थांबू देत नाही आहोत.
Here is what will be open: public transport, grocery shops, ATMs, petrol pumps, home delivery of food, postal services, banks, state and central government offices, and e-commerce firms catering essential services. And the services that will remain shut are malls, cinemas, amusement and water parks, clubs, pools and gyms, film, serial and ad shoots, beaches, gardens, places of worship, barbershops, salons, spas and schools and colleges. The gravity of the crisis could be understood by the SOS by Chief Minister Uddhav to Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
एक विनंती मी त्यांना करतोय, ज्याच्याबद्दल मी अधिकृत पत्र पण लिहितोय, की ही रस्त्याने आता ऑक्सिजन आणेपर्यंत आमच्याकडे फार विचित्र परिस्थिती निर्माण झालेली आहे. मला कल्पना नाही असं करता येणं शक्य आहे का. असेल तर आपल्याला लष्करी तज्ज्ञांची मदत घेऊन जर हवाई वाहतुकीने आमच्याकडे ऑक्सिजन आणू शकलो आपण आणि आणू शकत असू तर कृपा करून आम्हाला नुसती परवानगी नाही तर एअरफोर्सला सांगून आम्हाला मदत करायचे तसे आदेश द्या. एवढी निकड आता आपल्याला ऑक्सिजनची लागलेली आहे.
The fresh curbs have left some traders happy, some disappointed.
सरकार ने दुकानें बंद की है, नॉन एसेंशियल दुकानें. इसके साथ में हमारी जो मेन डिमांड थी ई कॉमर्स का नॉन एसेंशियल भी बंद होना चाहिए, वो सरकार ने एक्सेप्ट किया है. तो ये हमारे लिए अच्छी बात है.
ये हमारे इंडस्ट्री के लिए टोटली डिसअपॉइंटमेंट है. हाल ही में जो सीएम साहब के साथ मीटिंग हुआ था उसमें हमने उनसे दरख्वास्त किया था कि हमारा इंडस्ट्री दूसरा लॉकडाउन झेल नहीं पाएगा. ऐसे में हमारा इंडस्ट्री को कोई रिलीफ पैकेज या कोई कुछ अनाउंसमेंट नहीं आया है. ये हमारे लिए एक डिसअपॉइंटमेंट है.
What was feared has come true. As COVID cases surge, the Maharashtra government has been forced to order a statewide curfew. The administration hopes the restrictions, along with the ramped-up vaccine drive, will be able to check the second wave. With Sahil Joshi and Saurabh Vakhtania in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
Well, Maharashtra is facing acute shortage of oxygen. Maharashtra is facing acute shortage of the availability of the beds for the patients. And that is the reason why there is a lot of pressure on the medical services. And that is what the government says that they want to ease out in the next 15 days. Let's take a look. I'll be joined by two of my colleagues, Pankaj Upadhyay from Mumbai Sion area, and Pankaj Khelkar from Pune. Pune is also one of the worst hit cities due to the COVID pandemic. And I am standing at Bandra. So as I said, the Mumbai is already going in a lockdown mode. Let's have a look around. What is open? You can see that some stores on my right hand side are already closed. They know that they are going to go for a lockdown. So most of the stores are already closed here. The street vendors on the left side here, as you can see, they are open. They'll be allowed to open. You can take away from these places, and the fruit vendors, the street vendors are being allowed to remain open. Let's go further and see. There is some restaurant I can see here. The restaurant is closed. They have already put it that the restaurant is going to be closed, but there is a takeaway joint which has been kept open here, and that is going to be one of the key factor in this lockdown. The lockdown has also said that the transport services are going to be open. That is the reason why the auto rickshaws and taxis we can see on the streets, they will be allowed on the streets. But from tomorrow onwards, only those who are working for essential services will be able to use them. Let's first go to Pankaj Upadhyay. Pankaj, is Mumbai gearing up for lockdown? Just day before yesterday, you saw that people were going for panic buying. Is it still happening?
Sahil, I'm in the suburban area of Sion. Let's straight away hear the voices on ground zero. I have many auto rickshaw drivers with me, and they are already feeling the pinch, and they are scared even before the restrictions could come into play. आज शाम से restrictions आ जाएंगी. आप बताइए, आपका जो धंधा पानी है वो कितना प्रभावित होता है?
बहुत बुरी हालत है अभी तो धंधे पानी की, और अगर आज लॉकडाउन जाए तो कल से हम लोग के खाने के भी वांदे हो जाएंगे.
ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हैं? मुख्यमंत्री ने कहा है कि जितना गरीब तबका है उसकी वो देखभाल करेंगे, उसको भूखा नहीं रहने देंगे.
अरे तो अभी गए टाइम भी लॉकडाउन लगा तो हमको क्या मिला? कुछ नहीं मिला.
अच्छा.
और कहाँ खाने को कुछ दिए क्या? कुछ नहीं. वो अगर 1500 बोल रहे हैं मंथली देंगे तो उसमें क्या होने वाला है? कुछ नहीं होने वाला है।
आप बताइए, मुख्यमंत्री साहब ने कहा है कि इतना बड़ा 5000 करोड़ से ज्यादा का उन्होंने पैकेज अनाउंस किया है, कहा गरीबों की मदद करेंगे। आपको विश्वास है?
अभी वो आएगा तब ना, 1500 जो देने वाले हैं, जो आएंगे खाते में तब मालूम पड़ेगा ना आया करके।
अभी जब से रिस्ट्रिक्शन शुरू हो गई हैं, आप लोगों के बिजनेस में, आप लोगों के धंधे में कितनी गिरावट आई है?
बहुत ज्यादा। पहले 1100 बन जाते थे, अभी तो 200-300 बहुत मुश्किल से।
और पहले 1100-1500 बनते थे, अब हर रोज 200 या 300।
बस इससे ज्यादा नहीं हो। बहुत मेहनत किए तो 500।
यानी अगर ऐसे ही चलता रहा तो आने वाले दिनों में तो आपको और मुसीबत बनेगी।
बहुत ज्यादा मुसीबत अभी है हम लोग को। एक तो अभी ये 1 मार्च से मीटर बढ़ा दिए, 18 था 21 कर दिए। पहले धंधा नहीं था, पब्लिक और इधर उधर हो गई। अब ये बढ़ाने के हमको 5 साल में बढ़ा के दिए नहीं थे। अभी
definitely are going to suffer because of the lockdown, especially those who are daily wage earners. As we can see that people are talking there, that they hardly earn anything, and the lockdown is also going to affect them. But right now the government says that looking at the surge in cases, they need to break the chain, and that is why this lockdown, at least for 15 days, is needed. Let's go to Pankaj Khelkar, because as like in Mumbai, even Pune is facing acute shortage of availability of the beds, the oxygens, the ICU beds. The people are suffering there, and that's why the government says that we are going for a lockdown. Pankaj, do you think that the situation will improve once there is a lockdown? The pressure on the medical services, the beds availability will change. Pankaj.
Sahil, over here in Pune, the situation is grim, same what is there in Mumbai and other big cities of Maharashtra. As of now, I am at District Hospital in Pune, and with me I have the former director Nitin Bilavlikar, Dr. Nitin Bilavlikar, and let's talk to him what he suggests for the people, what is his suggestion for the people, and how serious should the people take this advice from the government and from the doctor and from the medical fraternity. Yeah, sir, what would you say? People, do you see... आपको क्या लगता है कि लोग डू यू फील के दिस पीपल शुड आर नॉट दॅट सिरियस?
नमस्कार, मी डॉक्टर बिलोलीकर. मी महाराष्ट्राच्या जनतेसाठी बोलत आहे म्हणून मुद्दामून मराठीत बोलत आहे. आपल्याकडे करोना या व्हायरसमुळे उद्भवणारा कोविड-19 हा जो आजार आहे, हा परत दुसरी लाट म्हणता येईल. March
him to speak in some other language, because not only Maharashtrians but a lot of people are listening to him.
त्याच्यासाठी सर्वतोपरी प्रयत्न करत आहेत. लोकप्रतिनिधी असतील, प्रशासकीय अधिकारी,
पूरा देश सुन रहा है आपको, इसलिए हिंदी में अगर कम्युनिकेट करेंगे तो लोगों तक समझेंगे.
हिंदी में वैद्यकीय अधिकारी असतील, पूरा जो शासन व्यवस्था है इस काम में जुटे हैं. हम इसका लड़ा देंगे. लोगों ने घबराने की बात नहीं है. पहले भी जो शासन की तौर से बताया गया है कि आप घबराइए मत. कोरोना के लिए जो प्रोटोकॉल्स है उनका पालन करिए. सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, यूज़ ऑफ सैनिटाइजर्स, और बिना कारण कुछ भी काम नहीं है. रास्ते पे घूमना ये मत करो. घर से काम करो. घर में ही रहो. जो इमरजेंसी सर्विसेज है,
the medical fraternity is clearly saying that listen to the government, listen to the curbs, listen to the restrictions, wear your mask, use sanitizer, keep social distancing, and at least break the chain, because right now Maharashtra is facing even more number of cases than it had faced during the first wave of the COVID-19. Now, a lot of people are asking me that what exactly is going to be open, what I can do. There are a lot of frequently asked questions, so I thought that let's jot down some of the questions and try to answer them for our viewers. So let's take the first question. Can I step out of my house? As you can see right now that there are some people who are stepping out of the house to buy certain things, but yes, you can step out of your house. The government has not put up a complete curfew here, but only for essentials. Please understand that. The second question is, the e-commerce delivery is going to be allowed? Yes, e-commerce delivery is going to be allowed. E-commerce delivery will be for the essential services, as well as you can see that the hotels here have put up a board that it's only and only for pickups, for takeaways, and for the deliveries, home deliveries. So obviously, for that, it is going to be allowed. Can I dine at a restaurant? No, you cannot dine at a restaurant. I just showed you a restaurant where they have put up a board. You can take a delivery. Only home delivery is going to be allowed. Are the roadside eateries allowed? Yes, the roadside eateries like these small eateries are going to be allowed. But you cannot stand here and eat your food. You have to take it away. It can be only allowed for the takeaways. The other question is, are the house helps are going to be allowed to travel? Yes. In some municipal areas, the house help have been allowed to travel. They can travel to their respective places, but of course, they cannot crowd around. Are the interstate trains and flights have been allowed? Yes, the interstate traveling has been allowed, not like the last time where everything was shut. Is the public transport allowed? Yes, only for the essential services. The public transport has been allowed, has been kept open so that the people who are providing you the essential services can travel. Are the religious places open? No, there is no religious place is going to be open. You can pray from home, but you cannot go to the religious place to pray because that is the place where the crowding happens. Are social political gatherings allowed? No, of course not. But only Maharashtra, there is going to be a bypoll in Pandharpur. There, the restrictions have been loosened up a bit because there is going to be an election. But otherwise, no political gatherings, no kind of congregation is going to be allowed. So this lockdown, the government claims, is clubbed with the financial help. The people were hoping that they should get at least something. What we could see Pankaj Upadhyay talking to people. From tonight, these lockdown measures, the restrictions are going to be in place. We are going to track this story to the fullest. For the next 15 days are going to be really important for Maharashtra. We'll have to see whether the cases go down. Are we be able to manage to have broken the chain? That is something which is going to be important. For news and updates, keep watching India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.